Furoshiki, Furoshiki.
Hi, today I want to share with you how to make this Furoshiki tissue napkin wrap. Last time when I shared how to make this one, actually I used a very long piece of fabric. They are easily available at Japanese dollar store Daiso. And since it was very long, I doubled it up like this one. If you don't want to double it up to make it too thick, here's an alternative. Actually, it's somewhat like the Furoshiki gift wrap that I shared recently. You put the tissue box on one side of the long end, fold this end up, align with the opening slit of the tissue box, and if you want to make it very pretty, you have to be more careful. You fold it like this and then tie a square knot. Like so. Last time, the opening, the edge of along the opening was folded like this. You can either fold it like this or you can just let it fold like this, and then once again, if you want it to be more tidy and neat, just fold it properly. Adjust the fabric like this. And then tuck this end, pass it through the square knot that you made just now. Pull it tightly. I made some adjustment off camera so that it really looks nice. Now, let this flat and open, spread out, and then I make sort of an accordion fold like this and put my finger in between so that there are two layers, and when I curl and make the flower, the rose, it looks like there will be one more layer. So then I twist very loosely like so, and then tuck the end underneath and you adjust it until you think the flower really looks nice. And you can see that for the square knot that I did just now, this end is longer than that one. I did it on purpose because I want this one to stick out like a leaf. And there you have it. I hope you like my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.